If you have potatoes and ground beef at home, surprise everyone with this recipe. Here in my pot, I'm going to add 7 large potatoes, peeled and washed. I'll pour very hot water over them. Now I'm going to turn on the heat and let these potatoes cook for 15 minutes. Now here in this bowl, I'm going to add a little over 1 pound of ground beef. Along with the beef, I'll add 1 egg and also 1 grated onion. I'll also add 3 cloves of garlic. And now I'm going to mix the meat very well with my hand so that it's nicely seasoned. I mixed all these seasonings very well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and also 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and now just mix again until the seasoning is fully incorporated. Everything is well mixed now. Now I'm going to add chopped cilantro and mix again until the seasoning is evenly distributed. And here, my potatoes are already cooked. Now I'll turn off the heat and drain the water, and I'll let them cool. This is how they look. Now I'm going to take a portion of the meat. I'll open it up in my hand like this. Now I'll place the potato right in the center of the meat, and I'll close it up using the tips of my fingers until the potato is completely covered. You're going to see how delicious this turns out. It's really tasty, folks. It's very easy to make and very simple to prepare. It's a delight. It might look like it won't hold, but the meat seals really well, and it'll end up looking like this. From here, I take it straight to my skillet with a drizzle of olive oil. I place it like this, and I keep preparing with the rest of the potatoes and all the remaining meat. I've already made the last meatball here, and in my skillet, I'll add 1 chopped onion. I already added a drizzle of olive oil and let it heat up. I'm also going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I'll also add 1 chopped yellow bell pepper, 1 chopped red bell pepper, and also 1 chopped green bell pepper. I'll mix everything well until it's sautéed. Now I'm going to add about 1 1/4 cups of tomato sauce. I'll also add half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix the seasoning very well. Now just let it cook for 5 minutes. And here, it's already cooked down to this consistency. It has reduced a bit. And now, we're going to pour it over the meatballs that just came out of the oven. I'll spoon it over them like this. And the rest of the sauce, I'll place right in the center. And now on top, I'll sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese. I added the cheese, and now we just need to place it in the oven just to let the cheese melt. And here, the cheese on the meatballs has melted beautifully. I cut one open to show you. Look how delicious this is. Now all that's left is to enjoy this potato stuffed meatball. It's absolutely delicious.